Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize training programs with Pluralsight easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Pluralsight account. Navigate to the training section from the main dashboard. Identify the area you want to optimize within your training program. Click on Skills to view the available learning paths. Select a specific skill or topic relevant to your training goals. Review the recommended courses and modules associated with that skill. Choose courses that align well with the needs of your learners. Use the filters to narrow down options based on skill level and duration. Enlist multiple courses to create a comprehensive learning path. Once selected, save your course list for easy access later. Next, access the Reports feature to analyze current training data. Evaluate learner progress and engagement metrics to identify gaps. Use these insights to adjust the training content as needed. Incorporate feedback from learners to refine course selections. Consider setting up assessments or quizzes to track comprehension. Encourage team leaders to monitor their team's learning paths. Implement regular check-ins to ensure alignment with training goals. Finally, celebrate milestones to keep learners motivated and engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.